Megan, who are you talking to?
Baby Mason.
What's up with Baby Mason?
I'm seeing Tyler.
Why?
With Mommy.
Oh.
He's mommy's at work.
His mommy's at work?
And he's playing his daddy.
Why?
There's no Valerie in here.
That's okay. Call him anyways. Call Baby Mason.
Hi. Uh-oh. There's still this Baby Mason's from Mommy's house. Baby Mason's somebody's house.
He's not.
No.
Let me see here. Hello? Megan? Yeah. Hold on a minute. Megan, it's Baby Mason.
I asked you house. He said no, he's not back.
Well, he's on his cell phone. He's shopping. He's calling you.
I am shopping. We shopped yesterday. You put this in here, please. He put some something.
Come on. Well, ask Baby Mason what he's doing.
What are you doing? Oh. Yeah. Is it too much fun for you?
Was it Christmas time? Is that what you just saw?
Yeah, he has a party now.
Oh, yeah.